Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I don't know, getting ready to film, laying out some coursework, and I clicked over. I was like, no, I'm not gonna do a video on this. But then I guess just started thinking about it. Then I went back and looked and saw how long it took to get to the first 1,000, then how long it took to get to the second 1,000. Then I saw that last year it was almost 4,000 in 1 year. So I just never want you to underestimate or not be sure how much I appreciate your time and energy and effort and support and awesome comments and just absolutely everything that you guys are doing. I cannot believe that there are 8,000 subscribers that have notifications on and watch these videos. It is absolutely humbling. I am awestruck by it. I truly can't believe it. I know that's not a large number in the grand scheme of things, but I want you to know it's a large number to me, and it just is. It's shocking because I wasn't sure how long I would do this, if I would stick to it. But you all just kept coming and watching and commenting and joining Discord and just being here and being supportive. So I just want to take a second, tell you all thank you. Extremely humbled, and we'll just see where this goes from here. So, all right, guys. Hey, if you haven't joined down in the Discord, go ahead and do that now. Super supportive. All beginner questions are welcome and adored. So you're not alone in this path of yours on Python. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.